Are you ready to take a stab at our LifeSongs Secret Sound?
Yes, believe so.
Okay, here we go. All right, Jason, what do you think?
Is it an air conditioner?
Is it an air conditioner? Let's see. You are correct. Yes!
Oh, yes.
Woo! Jason, nice work. You guessed our secret sound. We've got a $50 Visa gift card for you, a family 4-pack of baby cakes, game tickets, summer fun bubbles, music from Mercy Me, a hammock. Congratulations.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. So how are you spending this summer, Jason?
Actually, just kind of taking it easy. My wife and I are going to take a few trips this summer, but for the most part, just kind of sitting back.
Oh, awesome. Well, I hope these things will help you to have a great summer and come in handy. Congratulations again.
Thank you.
The LifeSongs Secret Sound. Some secrets are meant to be shared. Also, you can win cool stuff. $7.25, $12.25, and $4.25 every weekday.